Hi guys, welcome back to Gizbosh YouTube channel, where making technology easy for you is what we aim at. In this video, we are discussing of the WhatsApp's most anticipated multi-device support feature. So, let's begin. Amongst the several anticipated features of WhatsApp is the multi-device support, for which the company has started trials officially. Users have been requesting this feature whose function is to allow using the app with same account on different devices. The company is rolling out an update that adds multi-device support to WhatsApp. How will this feature work and what are all key points the brand has shared? Let's find out. WhatsApp multi-device support now available. WhatsApp via its blog post has confirmed that it has released a limited public beta update that brings the much anticipated multi-device support. With this new feature, users will now be able to access their WhatsApp accounts on up to 4 other non-phone devices. This means the accounts will be accessible on other linked devices even if the primary unit is not connected to the internet or is switched off. This is unlikely the current scenario where the primary device needs to be in a network range for the application to be used on laptops or PCs. In a statement, WhatsApp said, each companion device will connect to your WhatsApp independently while maintaining the same level of privacy and security through end-to-end encryption. With the new multi-device support update, the phone won't be the primary unit. Rather, each of the companion devices will have a unique key for the data to be seamlessly and securely synchronized and stay private. There wouldn't be any privacy concerns with the sync data across the companion devices. But there is one catch. The multi-device support is currently available for companion devices such as laptop and PCs. You won't be able to use this multi-device support feature on two smartphones simultaneously. This comes as a bummer for the users who intend to use this message application on two different smartphones. This has been one of the major factors why users have been requesting this option for long. Besides, the beta version also doesn't support audio video calling from the companion devices if it's a dated version. There are some other sets of limitations as well for the companion devices which we might see in the future updates. It is worth mentioning that this option is currently limited to beta users. The company is yet to release the stable version, so we might have to wait for a while to receive the update for the same.
That would be all for now. We will be bringing you all the latest technology trends just for you in the coming days as well. So, if you don't want to miss out on any new technology news, make sure you like and subscribe to Gizbot's YouTube channel. This is Sandeep signing off.